Unit 4 Simple Equation. We are studying simple equation. We want to know some terms, variables, expression, algebraic equation. Equations, solution, etc. So first, what is a variable? Variable vary. It will be vary something. That is variable is a quantity that can take any value. That can take any value. That means a variable doesn't have a fixed value. So these variables are represented with the small letters of English alphabet. Suppose X, Y, A, B, C, etc. The next one, expression. Expression means variable with the fundamental operations of mathematics. Variable plus operations, then we will get a expression. Then algebraic equation. Equation means it is a condition on a variable. Equation is a condition on a variable such that two expressions in the variable should have equal value. Then equation, suppose 6x plus 3, it is an expression equal to 5. Then here two expressions have 6x plus 3 is a one expression and 5 is another expression. So in between these two expressions we can use the equal sign. So this is an equation with the variable x. Then how to solve the equation? The solving method, three type of methods we are discussing here. First one, trial and error method. Next one, same operation. Both sides of an equation. Third one, transpose. Transposing. This is the three methods. Solution. What is solution? The solution, suppose 6x plus 3 is equal to 5 is an equation. So this is called LHS and this is called RHS. We are taking a value of x. If we get LHS is equal to RHS, that value of x is called the solution. So here, which value we are taking here? If we take x is equal to 1 by 3, what will we get? 6 into 1 by 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 into 1 by 3 means 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. That means RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. So x is equal to 1 by 3 is a solution of the equation 6x plus 3 is equal to 5. Check whether the value given in the brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. This is our equation. N plus 5 is equal to 19. The value is n is equal to 1. We want to check it. N is equal to 1 is a solution of this equation. So, we are taking n is equal to 1. N plus 5 is equal to 19. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. This is the LHS. But here RHS, what is the RHS here? 90. So, comparing LHS and RHS, they are not equal. That means, n is equal to 1 is not a solution of, n is equal to 1 is not a solution of n plus 5 is equal to 90. You will take the next question. That is, second question. 4p minus 3 is equal to 13 when p is equal to minus 4. This is the solution of the equation 4p minus 3 is equal to 13. So, we are taking 4 into minus 4 minus 3 is equal to 13 or not. We will be checking 4 into, this is the LHS and this is the RHS. So, what is the LHS? LHS is equal to 4 into 4 minus 16. 4 into 4 minus 16 and minus into plus minus. Then minus 3. That is minus into minus plus 16 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 19. Here, what is the RHS? RHS is equal to 13. It is not equal to minus 19. So, 4p minus 3 is equal to 13. Here, p is equal to minus 4 is not a solution. Next question, solve the following equations by trial and error method. What do you mean by trial and error method? Trial and error method means we are taking different values of p and we are checking that is the solution of this equation. So, starting with the 0. So, when p is equal to 0, what is the equation? LHS is equal to 5p plus 2 is equal to 5 into 0 plus 2. That is 5 into 0, 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. But here our RHS is equal to 70. So it is not is equal to 70. That means LHS not equal to RHS. So P is equal to 0 is not a solution. Next one, we are taking next value. P is equal to 1. Then LHS is equal to 5 into 1 plus 2. That is equal to 5 plus 2 equal to 7. It is also not equal to 70. So, LHS not equal to RHS. So, P is equal to 1 is also not a solution. Next, P is equal to 2. Then, LHS is equal to 5 into 2 plus 2. That is 5 into 2, 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. It is not equal to 70. So, LHS not equal to RHS. P is equal to 12 is not a solution. Next, P equal to 3. Then LHS is equal to 5 into 3 plus 2. that is equal to 5 3s are 15 plus 2 that is equal to 17 that is equal to RHS. So P is equal to 3 is the solution of the equation 5P plus 2 is equal to 70. Next question is that we want to make an equation. This is the question. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Permit has. Irfan has 37 marbles. Already given in the hint, Permit marbles is equal to M. Then what is the marble of Irfan according to Permit marbles? So Irfan have 37 marbles equal to 37. So how to, using this relation, we want to make an equation. Here given that 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Permit has. 5 times the marble means marble is M. So 5 times is 5M. More than means addition 5M plus how much more? 7. So 7 is equal to what is the value? 37. So the equation is 5M plus 7 is equal to 37. Next question. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Then we want to represent an equation using this relation. So we are taking Lakshmi's age is equal to y years old. Then how to represent? Already we know that father's age is equal to 49. So what is the relation between this? Father, he is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. So 3 times means 3y, 3 times older. Older means addition. Here's 4. 4 years older is equal to what is that? 49. So the equation is 3y plus 4 is equal to 49.